Right, next vintage fan I have is a vintage Air King box fan. Again, all metal, flea market find. This one I use in the house during the summer to help circulate the AC. 3 speeds, high, medium, low. This one works no problem. I mean, it's got a little bit of cosmetic damage on the screens and stuff like that. It is missing the handle. I don't remember if it was like that when I got it from the flea market or if it broke off. Here, see the speed control. Hard to see. But it's made by Burns Air King Corporation. Category number PL20P, Chicago, Illinois. Let's see here. 2.7 amps, 115 volts, 60 cycles, AC only. Go ahead and start it up on high. Now low. No medium. That is low. The knob doesn't work that great. See if I can get it to medium. I think it's 3 speeds, or it might not. No, it's 2 speeds. Sorry. High and low. Some vintage fans only have 2 speeds. Some have 3. See the Air King logo there? So this is low. Put it back on high and watch the spin down. Much better than the Kmart one, but the Kmart one needs oil. I might have to take the motor apart and actually physically clean it because that one was in rough shape. This one was also a flea market find, but this one was in good condition. Turn it around. I'm trying to do this with one hand. This one's got oil ports and the little nozzles for it, and the little hoses. You can kind of see. I'll put it on high for the engine startup. Let's see. And now for this spin down on low. And that's that.